Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then scroll down a bit, go to the system section, then go to the advanced reset options, select erase all data and tap erase all data, and once again, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.